Hi, I'm Cris Burnam, the president of StorageMart. I want to talk to you a little bit today about taking care of our hallways. This hallway is very representative of a lot of the hallways we have here at StorageMart, and we want it to look as good as it possibly can. You know, our customers really demand the best, and that's part of the StorageMart promise. So we're going to start by talking about how we take care of our carpets. Come on, I'll show you a couple things. Over time, that can create a lot of problems and basically take a good-looking piece of carpet and make it look very poor. The carpet we're patching today, believe it or not, is over 8 years old, so it's in great condition and it's been used, it's been maintained very well. And that's our goal. We need to have kind of a timeless look, and the carpet is really designed to make the entire building feel more homey, more comfortable, someplace that you'd want to put all your valuables. So let's talk about how we're going to fix this carpet. Now in my bag today, I've got a pair of heavy-duty shears. These aren't just office scissors. These are tough enough to cut maybe a 1/4 inch rope. They're available at any hardware supply store. And anytime you see a loose frayed piece like this, it's very important that you immediately cut it off. You know, we want to take a small fray and keep it a small fray. So that's what we're going to try and fix today. So here's what we do. Of course, we always keep it cut down low as best we can. Oh, another piece there. Then the next tool that I use, just some tape. So the first thing we have to do is prep the area. So I'm going to use this tape to get in really close to this seam, because it's going to be very hard for us to absolutely match what's here. So we want to keep our crack filling to a minimum. The same thing over here on the other side, leaving the exposed area to where it can get treated properly. The thing that we actually patch these seams or holes in the carpet with is just good old liquid nails. You can use the big caulk gun type, or for a small job, I have a small tube. It's just as simple as spreading this right on down the seam in the area that we've taped off. So you can see a piece right there already wanting to come back up. And this liquid nails is amazing stuff. It will hold. Now before I get too much, I'm just going to kind of blend it all off a little bit. Kind of like troweling cement. Because effectively, that's what this is going to do. It's going to cement the carpet back together and eliminate the threads that can cause us a lot of problems over time. Now, because this can be a trip hazard, we want to make sure and put out a caution cone. We've had it sitting here for a couple of hours, and we're going to now attempt to get it to blend in. We tried to match as close to our carpeting as we possibly can. We'll see how good a job we do today. Okay, because I prepared the area in advance, I don't have to be very neat with my paint. And when we're done, you will be able to tell that there's been a little bit of a patch job done here. There. That should do it. Now we've got to let it dry. Now we've let this paint dry for an hour or two. Now ideally, having it dry for 6 to 8 hours would be better. So we'll see how it goes, and we might have to come back and touch up just a bit. That should do it. And you know, it really wasn't that hard to do. Just a little bit of patience, the right tools, and you know, I gotta tell you, I'm not the best painter in the world, but even I can do it. And I spend most of my time behind the desk as president of StorageMart. Now, for you folks in the field, my hat's off to you, because I know how tough your job is. But these are the kinds of details that customers notice. So, as you're walking through your climate-controlled hallways, let's make sure we've got them in great shape. Thanks. I thought I was going to get paint everywhere. I was pretty neat, don't you think? Oh, I do get a little paint on my hand here, but I thought it'd be everywhere, so not too bad.